Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael, warrior, healer, protector. The name Raphael means God heals, was first mentioned in 1 Enoch in the book of Tobit. He protects the east and the element of air and is the keeper of healing powers. The color associated with him is green, and he seeks to unite the power of love with his flower being iris. He heals mind, body, and soul, overseeing humans and animals. He rules the planet Mercury, with his season being spring and his day of the week, Wednesday. His main message is that it is time to heal your heart, and it is time to let go and allow yourself to heal. He conveys a message that pain is part of life's journey, and that you have bravely journeyed this far, and he will be there to support you in healing the past. This hurt, pain, trauma may be wearing you down or causing much stress or inner turmoil. Archangel Raphael's healing energy, when called upon, will merge with yours and will begin to heal and dissipate those hurts. But it does take work, such as being in tune with your inner self and reaching out through prayer. His aid, in conjunction with your peer support and support sources, are a powerful combination, supporting your spiritual, physical, and mental well-being. If you find yourself offering guidance to others, or persons come to you with their own hurts and leave feeling at peace, you may indeed be a healer, and Archangel Raphael, your guardian angel. For he is present to support those who help others in their healing journeys and in humanitarian efforts. If you are a healer, at the start of your practice, use the following calling for his presence for his support. If you are seeking to help send light to the planet, people, animals, nature, literally any situation that needs love to heal, call on Archangel Raphael, helping those in healing and humanitarian pursuits. Say the following to call on his energy, to assist you, to support you. Archangel Raphael, I connect with your divine light of healing. I ask to bring that divine light into all areas of my life. Give me the strength to surrender through the journey. Grant me the wisdom to heal my heart. Blessed Raphael, I honor your gentle presence, and I ask you to walk with me in my healing journey.